guys, so I and Hoppy were going for kind of a date night kind of thing. What are you doing? We're going to see Black Panther at Silverbirds Cinema. Ife, come and say hello. Come. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, Ife. Hello, Ife. I love you, Ife. I love you, Ife. So I hope you guys love my makeup. I love it so much. I feel like it's not even showing the way it is in real life. Like in real life, it's very fine. My highlight is popping in real life. I'm using my selfie camera, so it's not as bright as it should be. So see you guys. It's just this
traffic here. The place is now like it's for hangouts, everything now. It's not only
that waterfall that used to be here is no longer here.
Can they maintain it?
Oh, wow. Nigeria.
My brother, not only they cannot maintain it now. That is the problem. I see they don't offer. They don't maintain it. That's what Nigeria is all about. They don't maintain it. It's not on. They've only to local board now. Everybody goes to the boys come to look at everything. They cannot maintain it. Look at how this piece is looking. But you wake up, you do light wash.
Me?
You wake up like that, go to the gym.
No. I'm fine in natural beauty, so I know. So I don't need to wake up. It's a Chinese restaurant. Sorry?
That's because of what's in the China. I can see it. It's on the sketchers. But I can see it.
You can just come inside and check.
Let me advertise for you now. I'm a YouTuber. Let me video it for you so people will see it. You don't want to show. Shoes are fine.
Hey princess, I'm so into you. Cause you see past what my revenue is and love me for me. Clever you, leave you, that is something I would never do. Other girls just wanna get rich quick. See them running things like Olympics. Married men chopping them like biscuits. They're fast food girls, they're fish sticks. But what we have is so realistic. There's no forming, girl, no film tricks. I know we'll chop outside, no picnics. Cause you and I are above the statistics. It don't matter if I got ego. We got something we can build on Lego. And even if your friends don't say so, what do they know? What do they know?
Whether I want million, baby you got me. Baby you got me. Whether I want naira, whether I want million, baby you got me. Baby you got me. You're the only one that I see. You get money, I stay with you if you stay with me, stay with me.
Yeah, if you stay now, follow chop kwa when I'm living by the bay.
So I'm going to the bank to open an account, a Fidelity account. I think I want to do Fidelity, a business account. If you don't know, I have a jewelry. I sell jewelries and now I'm adding bags to it. I'm trying to just do something for myself as a stay-at-home mom so that I can have something to be giving me cash, extra cash apart from blogging. So if you're interested, you can go check out my Oyoyo accessories. That's for my jewelries. Then for the bags is Oyoyo bags. It's a pre-owned bag. They're designer bags, pre-owned. So you can go check them out and make sure you buy.
Top friends with Oprah and Obama. Guess who gon' be my baby mama and my wifey? Precisely, cause you loving me when nobody likes me, and you feeling me when nobody hype me. So when the money come, you gon' be beside me. You're a diamond, you're priceless. A lot of girls shine, you the brightest. If you ever try to leave me like this, I'll follow you like 3 blind mice. So here's my proposal, baby. Love me though the money is a maybe. And if your friends say that you crazy, what can they see? What can they see?
Whether I want million, baby you got me, baby you got me. Whether I want naira, whether I want million, baby you got me, baby you got me. You're the only one that I see, that I see, that I see. Whether or not you get.
If Hollywood was what taught you what marriage should look like, perfect sex life, perfect finance, everything perfect, there is nothing like that. People that you see that are happy in their marriage, let go of things every day. Tap your neighbor, say, learn to overlook some things. Some people have been delivered from demons, but they have not been delivered from people. They've been delivered from demons, but they've not been delivered from people. What will people say? The reason why they're scolding their children, fighting them every day, what will people say? The reason why they want their wife to be perfect, and that woman is just a shadow of herself, what will people say? Please get over people. Have a life. Get a life. These people you're talking about, they have issues themselves. Your accusers are not that innocent. Can I say that again?
Hi guys, good evening. So this is Sunday evening. I'm going out to my kids. I don't know if you can see them. See Gina.
Let's go.
Should we go? See Gina.
Trip on your way, bring on your best. Open your hand and just look around. Just someone spin it down. You gotta grow there. You gotta give it water down. I'll grow there. I know what to do. Just for this and do that there. On the road, there will not go there. Better you, better someday. Let's go away. Last thing I was
If you come.
No, it's big, it's better, it's better.
Sorry, but what's that? What, you want water?
Experimental, baby, you bust up my mental. This your booty be like metal. Make you bring and make a mental. Girl, I know say that you know what's up. Move your body to the beat, non-stop. You taking me back like a gunshot. Anytime I see you walking bomb shot. Them Mario, Mario. Shake body, oh, body, oh. Don't worry, oh, worry, oh. Let's get Mario, Mario.
Now what are you looking at? Good morning guys. So today is Friday And normally Friday in my house is date night, date day, date night day, date night day, date day. Anyway, so but hubby is not around. He traveled. This year he's been traveling, like he's not been traveling a lot, but he's been staying longer periods, unlike the usual thing. And it's really overwhelming because for a long time in our marriage we were just always together.
For me, yeah, for me, yeah. I stay with you if you stay with me, stay with me, stay with me.
You know I love you, honey. If no be situation, if say I had some money, or better occupation. Anywhere you want to go, we go fly. Anything you say you want, I'm gon' buy. Just to show you, baby girl, what you mean to me. Let's take it easy, girl. Until we get there. Things are hard right now, a lot of stress, yeah. But I promise to always give you my best, yeah. I put my right hand on my chest, yeah. No money in the world can pay for this feeling that I feel when you say you're my girl. I'm your king, I'm your mayor. I love you forever and a day more.
So I've been trying to celebrate me. So hopefully today I'm going
Baby,
to
you got me.
the house that has
Baby, you got me.
plug-in.
Whether I want naira, whether I want million. Baby, you got me. Baby, you got me.
Happy weekend.
You're the only one that I see. Only one that's more than whether or not you get money, I stay with you if you stay with me.